GTA 5 Online is packed with opportunities to make big money, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player. So from buying businesses to making smart property investments, these opportunities can help you build wealth and take your criminal empire to the next level. So let's dive into the best investments you could make in GTA 5 Online. Now, this is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only, okay? Here are 5 best investments in GTA 5 Online. Number 1 is the CEO office and businesses. So buying a CEO office and investing in businesses like a nightclub, a bunker, and import-export vehicles can provide steady passive income. Number 2 is motorcycle club. Starting an MC and running profitable businesses like cocaine, meth labs, or counterfeit cash can give you a great return on investment, okay? So, number 3, arcade. Buying an arcade not only offers a fun way to make money, but also provides a steady income from master control terminal and missions. And number 4 is high-end apartments. Investing in high-end apartments allow you to host heist missions like the Pacific Standard heist, which can give huge payouts. Number 5, nightclubs. Once fully upgraded, a nightclub generates passive income through its goods, production, and nightclub popularity. So by investing in these businesses and properties, you can basically make money passively while having fun with all the missions and activities in GTA 5 Online has to offer. Now, I know I mentioned these drugs and everything. This is just a game. In real life, you don't do this. It's obviously not what I'm telling you to do. All right? If you're ready to start making money in GTA 5 Online, leave me a like. I love you.